Alright, yo, what's good? In this video, I want to talk about this slim case, the clear case that you can get from Samsung. And honestly, I just want to warn you guys, bro. This case is so doo-doo. Like, this is probably one of the worst cases I've ever had from Samsung. Like, not only does it not stick properly, like, this easily comes off. And when this part can move around like that and easily come off, rocks and little pieces of dust can get underneath that and scratch your frame right here of your phone. So this case will ultimately do damage to your phone. And then the other part as well, the back piece, it doesn't have any adhesive or anything. But usually these back pieces, they stay stuck. But this one, it shifts a lot. So yeah, don't get this case if you want to keep your phone scratch free. But on top of all that, bro, this case just feels very cheap. Like, this is some like thin plastic doo-doo-ness. Like, I don't mind that personally. I want a slim case, but the fact that like it doesn't stick on properly and it's gonna scratch your phone, dust is gonna get underneath easily. It's just not a good pickup in my opinion. And on top of that, it has like these black bars. Like, I understand they're trying to simulate the bezels. It's kind of strange. And then it has like, you know, white adhesives on certain parts of the case, like white adhesive there, and then white strip here. I'm not sure what Samsung was thinking with this case, but personally, I don't feel like this is worth your time. Like, just go on Amazon and get something. If you want a cheap case like this, just go on Amazon, get something cheaper. And then another thing I hate about this case, I just remembered as I'm talking about it, this Mount Everest edge right here, bro. This is, look at this. This is literally a mountain peak. Like, when you're trying to do gestures on the phone, let me show you. It's like annoying to use. So yeah, like obviously it can work, and if you adjust your settings, you can make it work. But this is huge, bro. Mount Everest right there. And then this side, you won't even want to try swiping on this side because you're just going to make it strum it like a guitar. So yeah, I'm destroying my phone right now. Hopefully not. But anyways, the slim clear case, this is the one I have right now. It is not worth it. I got it just, you know, just to have a case and try it out. It was cheap with the order, but it does not feel worth it in my opinion. And it's just bad quality, bad adhesive, bad sticking. So yeah, just wanted to make this video to, you know, maybe warn some people and let you know how it looks and feels. This is the gray, obviously. And yes, this case is a fingerprint magnet too. So there's that. A lot more videos on this phone coming out and other things. We out. Peace.